In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Google form on Squarespace. We'll start inside your Squarespace account. From the account area, head to your main dashboard, then open your website so you're looking at the site editor. This is where we'll create a dedicated page for your form and drop in the embed code. If you already know exactly where you want the form to live, great. Otherwise, a fresh page keeps things clean and easy to manage. In the website panel, open Pages. Under Main Navigation, click the plus icon to add something new. Choose Add Blank, then select Page. This quickly creates a clean slate for your form without any preset content or design to get in the way. You can always rename the page and move it in your navigation later, but for now, we'll keep the focus on embedding the form. Open the new page so you're looking at the empty canvas, then enter Edit mode if you aren't there already. With the page editor active, add a new section. Choose a blank section so nothing conflicts with the form layout. Once the section appears, add a content block to it and pick the code block. The code block is exactly what we need for pasting the Google Forms embed snippet. When the block opens, you'll likely see a small placeholder like "Hello World." Go ahead and remove any placeholder text so the field is empty and ready for your code. Before we paste anything, let's grab the embed code from Google Forms. Open your form in Google Forms and give it a quick check to confirm the questions and settings are correct. When you're ready, click the three dots for more options, then choose Embed HTML. Google Forms will generate an iframe snippet for you. Click Copy to put that code on your clipboard. Now switch back to your Squarespace editor where the code block is still selected. If needed, click into the code area so you can edit, then paste the embed code you copied from Google Forms. You should see a preview of the form appear in the editor. If the preview doesn't render right away, that's okay. Squarespace often shows it once you save or refresh the block preview. With the form placed, you can drag the block to adjust its position within the section. Move it above or below other blocks you might add later, or keep it centered so it's prominent on the page. The goal is a clean, scannable layout that makes it easy for visitors to complete the form. When it looks good, click Save to commit your changes, and then exit the editor. This step is important. Saving ensures the embed code is published and visible to your visitors. Finally, view the live page to check the embedded Google form. Confirm it loads, scrolls, and allows input as expected. You're looking for a smooth, usable experience. Fields should display clearly, the Submit button should be visible, and the form should fit comfortably within the page. If you notice it feels cramped, remember you can return to the page editor later and add spacing above or below the block, or place it in a wider section to give it more breathing room. If you later make edits in Google Forms, those changes will update automatically on your Squarespace page because the embed pulls the latest version of the form. That's it. You've created a page, added a blank section, inserted a code block, fetched the embed snippet from Google Forms, pasted it into Squarespace, positioned it, saved, and verified the result. Your visitors can now fill out the form right on your site, and responses will be collected in Google Forms like usual. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to keep building out your page with headings or a brief intro so users know exactly what the form is for before they start.